Dreams, they're not just fairy tales, they're blueprints. Yours, no matter how far-fetched they seem, no matter how many hits you've taken, it's still possible if you've got the guts to chase it. But let's be real, chasing dreams hurts. You'll fall, you'll doubt yourself, you'll wake up some days thinking, maybe I'm not enough. But you are. You just haven't seen how far you can go when you don't quit. Pain's part of the process. The difference between the ones who make it and the ones who talk about making it. Discipline, fire, and not folding when life hits back. Greatness, it's not for the chosen few. It's for the few who choose to rise again and again. You gotta believe that you were made for more. Move like you're chosen. Cut the noise. Not everyone's supposed to come with you. If they don't push you forward, leave them behind. This is your road, your name on the line. Stop pretending, stop copying, start owning who you are. That's when you start standing out. Surround yourself with lions, people who hustle, bleed, and rise just like you. No safety nets, no handouts, just raw hunger. And above all, invest in the real weapon, your mind. Train it, guard it, believe in it. 'Cause once you believe in yourself, really believe, there's nothing left to prove to anyone else. Talk is cheap. Move, build. Take that first step, then never stop walking. And when the rejections come, and they will, when you fall, and you will, look your dream in the eye and say, it ain't over till I win.